Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on group lecture number 50, in which I will discuss on kernel of homomorphism. Now I will give you the concept of kernel of homomorphism. Let G with given binary operation and G prime with another binary operation be two groups. Phi is a homomorphism. G and G prime are groups. Phi is a homomorphism defined on G into G prime is homomorphism. Let EG prime be the identity element of G prime. Let A belongs to G such that its image is EG prime. Phi A equal to EG prime. Another element B whose image is EG prime. Phi B is EG prime. In this way, we collect all those elements of G whose image is EG prime and we make a set. This set is called kernel of homomorphism phi. This set. We denote kernel of homomorphism as car phi. We denote kernel of homomorphism by car phi. Therefore, car phi is a set containing all those elements of group G such that image of each element of car phi is identity element of G prime. Therefore, car phi is a set containing all those elements A belong to G such that phi A equal to EG prime, and this is called kernel of homomorphism phi. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is, let phi is a homomorphism defined on a group G with given binary operation into another group G prime with another binary operation. Then kernel of phi is a normal subgroup of G. Now we prove this. Let G with given binary operation and G prime with another binary operation be two groups. Phi be a homomorphism defined on G into G prime. We know that car phi equal to all those elements of G whose image is identity element of G prime. This is car phi. Means car phi contains all those elements of group G in which image of each element of this set is the identity element of G prime. Car phi contains all those elements of group G such that phi A equal to identity element of group G prime. Let A belongs to car phi implies that phi A equal to identity element of G prime. Again, B belongs to car phi implies that phi B equal to identity element of G prime. Now, phi A operation B equal to phi is a homomorphism. Therefore, this equal to phi A star binary operation of G prime, because phi A is an element of G prime star phi B. Since phi A is EG prime identity element and phi B also EG prime identity element of G prime, this equal to EG prime. This means image of A operation B is identity element of G prime. Therefore, A operation B belongs to car phi. This is number 1. Again, let A belongs to car phi implies that phi A equal to identity element of G prime. Now, phi A inverse, since phi is a homomorphism, therefore we know that this equal to phi A whole inverse. Since phi A is EG prime, whole inverse, and this is equal to EG prime. Inverse of identity element is identity element. Implies that here we see that image of A inverse is identity element of G prime. Therefore, A inverse belongs to car phi. This is number 2. From 1 and 2 we get A, B belong to car phi implies that A operation B belong to car phi and A inverse belongs to car phi. Therefore, car phi is a subgroup of G, that is kernel of homomorphism phi is a subgroup of G. Let this is number 3. Now let G be any element of group G and H belongs to car phi, implies that phi H equal to EG prime. This is number 4. Now, phi G H G inverse equal to, here we have operation, binary operation this. Since phi is a homomorphism, therefore this equal to phi G star phi H star phi G inverse, and this equal to phi G star phi H is identity element of G prime, EG prime star phi is a homomorphism, so this equal to phi G whole inverse. This equal to, this is the identity element, so phi G operation identity element is phi G star phi G whole inverse. So phi G operation phi G whole inverse, that means identity element of G prime. This means the image of G H G inverse is identity element of G prime. This is for all small g belongs to capital G, implies that G operation H operation G inverse belongs to car phi for all small g belongs to group G. This is number 5. From theory, we get car phi is a subgroup of G. Then from theory and 5, we get that car phi is a normal subgroup of G. Car phi is a normal subgroup of G. Proved. Now we prove the next theorem. Here phi is a homomorphism defined on a group G with given binary operation into another group G prime with another binary operation. Then phi is 1 1 if and only if kernel of phi is a set containing only identity element of group G. Now we prove this. Let phi is a homomorphism defined on group G into group G prime. Here this is group G and this is group G prime with binary operation, and phi be a homomorphism defined on group G into group G prime. Now let phi is 1 1. We know that image of means homomorphic image of identity element of group G is identity element of G prime. Phi EG equal to EG prime. Since phi is a homomorphism, this is number 1. Implies that identity element of group G is a pre-image of identity element of G prime. Therefore, EG belongs to car phi. This is number 2. Car phi means kernel of homomorphism phi. From 1, it is clear that EG, identity element of group G, is a pre-image of identity element of G prime. Since given that phi is 1 1, since phi is 1 1, therefore identity element EG of group G is the only pre-image of identity element of G prime. Therefore, car phi contains only single element, that is identity element of group G. Conversely, let kernel of phi contains only identity element of group G. This car phi contains only identity element of group G. Now we have to show that phi is 1 1. Let AB belong to group G such that phi A equal to phi B. This is number 3 and this is number 4. Now, phi A inverse B equal to, since phi is a homomorphism, therefore this equal to phi A inverse phi B, and since phi is a homomorphism, so this equal to phi A whole inverse and phi B equal to phi A, that is here phi A using 4. And this equal to identity element. Here we have operation of G prime. So this is identity element of G prime. Therefore phi A inverse B, here A inverse B is EG prime, means image of A inverse B is EG prime. That means A inverse B belongs to kernel of phi. This is number 5. Since in theory we see that kernel of phi contains only single element, identity element of G. From 3 and 5 we get A inverse B equal to EG, identity element of group G, implies that A inverse B equal to AEG, implies that A inverse means EG, identity element, B equal to A operation, identity element is A, and identity element and B by operation get B equal to A, implies that A equal to B. This is number 6. From 4 and 6 we get phi A equal to phi B, implies that A equal to B. Therefore phi is 1 1, proved. Now we solve a problem. Let G be a group which is equal to Z6 with binary operation addition, and phi is a mapping defined on group G into group G by phi x bar equal to 2x bar. X bar belongs to Z6, so that phi is a homomorphism. Determine kernel of phi. Since Z6 contains classes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here phi is defined on G equal to Z6 binary operation addition into G equal to Z6 with binary operation addition. Let A bar B bar belong to G, implies that phi A bar equal to 2A bar, phi x bar equal to 2x bar, and phi B bar equal to 2B bar, phi A bar plus B bar equal to 2A bar plus B bar equal to 2A bar plus 2B bar. 2A bar is phi A bar, this equal to phi A bar, plus 2B bar equal to phi B bar. Therefore phi A bar plus B bar equal to phi A bar plus phi B bar. Therefore phi is a homomorphism. Therefore first part proved. Now we prove second part. Since 0 bar be the identity element of this group G, means codomain, and phi 0 bar equal to 2 multiply 0 bar. Here phi x bar equal to 2 multiply x bar, and this equal to 0 bar. Phi 3 bar equal to 2 multiply 3 bar, means 6 bar means 0 bar, and no other element will give image 0 bar. So kernel of phi will contain only element 0 bar and 3 bar, because here 0 bar and 3 bar both give image 0 bar, and this is kernel of phi. Now we solve problem number 2. Let G is equal to S3 symmetric group of degree 3 with binary operation, multiplication of permutations, and G prime is a set containing elements 1 and minus 1 with binary operation is simple multiplication, and phi is a mapping defined on G into G prime as phi alpha equal to 1 if alpha is an even permutation in S3, and phi alpha equal to minus 1 if alpha is an odd permutation in S3. Then determine kernel of phi, kernel of homomorphism. Deduce that A3 is a normal subgroup of S3. Now we prove this. Since we know that under this condition phi is a homomorphism, defined on G into G prime. Since G is symmetric group of degree 3, here in G prime the identity element in G prime be 1. Therefore car phi equal to alpha belongs to S3 such that phi alpha equal to identity element 1 of G prime. This is equal to alpha belongs to S3 such that alpha is an even permutation in S3, and this is equal to A3 alternating group. So first part is determine kernel of phi. Kernel of phi is collection of all even permutation in S3, that is alternating group. Second part is deduce that A3 is a normal subgroup of S3. Since we know that kernel of phi is a normal subgroup, implies that here kernel of phi is A3. Therefore A3 is a normal subgroup of S3. Proved. Now we solve problem number 3. Let G equal to set of real numbers with binary operation addition, and G prime is a set containing all those complex number Z such that modulus of Z equal to 1, and binary operation is G prime is simple multiplication, and phi is a mapping defined on G into G prime as phi x equal to cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x, x belongs to R. R be the set of real numbers. Prove that phi is a homomorphism. Determine kernel of phi. Given that phi x equal to cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x, x belongs to R. Therefore, phi y equal to cos 2 pi y plus I sin 2 pi y, y belongs to R. Since x, y belongs to R, real number, that is G, implies that x plus y belongs to R. Therefore, phi x plus y equal to cos 2 pi x plus y plus I sin 2 pi x plus y. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this equal to cos a plus b, means cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So we get cos 2 pi x into cos 2 pi y minus sin 2 pi x into sin 2 pi y plus I sin a plus b, sin 2 pi x, sin a into cos b, cos 2 pi y plus cos a cos 2 pi x sin 2 pi y equal to cos 2 pi x cos 2 pi y plus I sin 2 pi x cos 2 pi y plus here I cos 2 pi x sin 2 pi y, here minus 1 means I square plus I square sin 2 pi x sin 2 pi y equal to, here we take common cos 2 pi y, cos 2 pi y remains cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x plus we take common I sin 2 pi y, I sin 2 pi y remains cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x implies that left side is phi x plus y equal to, here we take common cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x remains cos 2 pi y plus here remains I sine 2 pi y, and this equal to phi x multiply phi y. Therefore here we get phi x plus y. Since here plus is the binary operation for group G here, and multiplication is the binary operation in group G prime. So in right side we get binary operation multiplication, left side binary operation is addition. So therefore phi x plus y equal to phi x multiply phi y. Therefore phi is a homomorphism. Since in G prime the identity element equal to 1, since it is with binary operation multiplication. In multiplication identity element is 1. Therefore we have to find kernel of homomorphism. Ker phi contains elements of G, group G, such that phi x equal to 1. For phi x equal to 1, we get cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x equal to 1, implies that cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x equal to cos 2 pi n. N is an integer, implies that cos 2 pi x equal to cos 2 pi n, equating real and imaginary part of both sides, implies that 2 pi x equal to 2 pi n, implies that x equal to n. N is an integer. Therefore ker phi equal to x belongs to G, x equal to n such that n is an integer. This is the kernel of homomorphism. Now I will give you details of my lecture notes. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.